It's a long, wavy Remy Human Hair lace front wig named Chrissy with a C. The color that I picked out is too dark brown. Now you can see the actual color of the wig. It's dark brown mixed with medium brown, and then I feel like there's a little bit of highlights in there just to make it look more natural and give it some dimension. It is a lace front wig, as you can see here. Look how detailed that is. So the cap construction looks really good. We've got 3 little clips here if you have hair. I don't really feel them on my head, so I don't mind them. I don't really remove them because I don't feel them. And then we also have these adjustable bands, so you can tighten the cap as much as you need to. And then we've got the lace here as well. The hair feels great. It's like super soft. Ooh, that is far back. There we go. Look, you can barely see the lace. That's crazy. This is exactly what it looks like without it being plucked and without the lace being cut. So it's pretty long. The wave is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take it off and cut the lace. As I'm cutting this lace, let's talk about the details on this wig. I'll make sure to include the style, the length. So as you can see, the hairline is really dense right here, which is creating like a line, which makes it look not as realistic. So I'm going to start plucking the hairline very carefully. I don't want to take too much off, I just want to make it look more realistic. So I'm going to be gluing this wig down with some Ghost Bond Platinum adhesive and then my little edge brush. Tools are ready. So I'm just going to put a few dots where my hairline is. Well, where I like it, because obviously I don't have a hairline anymore. Okay. Then I'm going to smooth out the glue. So I'm going to pick it up really carefully, put my 2 fingers here, pinch it, and plop it down. Ooh. I love this wig. I love how dark it is.